Hey everybody, Chris from California Gay Adventures. Just wanted to show you a little bit on the CGA website and also on the app in Mighty Networks. Wanted to show you that we have some new features. We reorganized our events tabs. If you go to events here on the left, you actually will see all of our events. We have a lot going on right now, so sometimes it's nice to just be able to see things in your area, which we have fixed and made it look really nice. If you go down here to day adventures, you'll see this right here. You can actually click on. You can look at hikes in the Los Angeles, Orange County, Inland Empires area. You can click on that, and it'll only show hikes in those areas. We also have our AIDS walk here. If you want to look at socials in that area as well, the SoCal LA area, you can click there and see all the socials that are going on. If you want to look specifically in the San Diego area, you can go here and you can see all the hikes and socials that are going on here. We also have a new section, NorCal, for our NorCal members that are just joining us. We're just getting that started, so right now it's not showing anything. So you'll see that as well. If you go down a little bit further, you'll see our overnight adventures, and you can go into those, whether it's camping and backpacking, weekend adventures. So that's like cabins and Catalina Island, things like that. And then also our big trips, things like our Vietnam trip, Yucatan. We have Peru coming up into this area. So we'll be expanding those. Everybody does have access to these. If for some reason let's just say you're in Los Angeles and you really don't want to see things in Northern California as we start promoting some events up in that area, you'll start receiving some of those invites. If you don't want to see them, that's fine because most of them are local. The system right now doesn't allow us to just give it to them. Maybe in the future, but for now, it is a manual process. But you can go in here, click the little three dots. You'll see three dots here, and you can go to more. And you can go to leave space. I'm not going to do that because I want to stay in it. You can leave that space and you won't see hikes and socials from NorCal. If you just want to hide the post from feed, if you click that, that'll just hide it from the main feed, but you'll still get those invites. So if you don't want to get invites for areas outside of what you want to receive, you can leave the space. So you can leave the space. And then you can actually come back. If you ever want to join again, you'll see a little more symbol that comes here and you can rejoin the space. So it's not like you're leaving forever. But if you do want to leave that space and not receive those invites, you can go here, click the three dots and click leave space. This was just a quick tutorial on how to do that with a couple of the little changes that we have going on. We also have a volunteers opportunities area here. Where we're looking for people to help with planning committees. We've got a lot of people coming on doing that. And it gives the captains and who to reach out to if you want to join some of our planning groups. If you want to help with overnight adventures or day hikes or socials, things like that. If you are in Northern California and you want to get involved and really help us get hikes and socials going in the Northern California area, we'd love that. Jermaine and Sigmund are leading that. If you want to get involved in San Diego hikes and socials, Rod and Steve are leading that. So definitely check out this page. It's available for everybody as well. And reach out to those captains. Thank you.